today's video, I am going to explain the partial fractions and how to resolve the partial fractions when the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. So here is a problem ready for you on the screen, and here we have to resolve this partial fraction, that is 1 by x plus 3 into x plus 4. So I am going to resolve it as a by this is x plus 3 plus this is b by this is x plus 4. Now 1 by this is x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to, if I take LCM here, so this is x plus 3 into x plus 4. Now if I make a cross multiplication, so this is x plus 4 and this is b times of x plus 3. Now I am going to cancel x plus 3 on both sides and next x plus 4 on both sides, and see what happens here. What is the equation left over? That is 1 is equal to this is a into this is x plus 4 plus b into this is x plus 3. So name it as equation 1. So this is equation 1. In this equation, in order to make a 0, so that I'll be getting b value. So in order to make a 0, so there is plus 4. So if I keep minus 4 in place of x, so put x is equal to minus 4. Therefore 1 is equal to this is a into this is minus 4 plus 4 plus b times of, in place of x if I keep minus 4 plus 3. Now if I cancel this one, what remains here? So 1 is equal to this is b into this is minus 1. Therefore b value is minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. And in order to make this one 0, so there is plus 3. If I keep minus 3 here, plus and minus get cancels. So here in place of x I am keeping minus 3. So x is equal to this is minus 3. So in equation 1, if I keep in place of x as minus 3, 1 is equal to this is a into minus 3 plus 4 plus b times of this is minus 3 and this is plus 3. Now if I cancel this one, so this will be 1 is equal to this is a into 1 and a value is equal to 1. So after getting a and b values, now if I substitute here, then this will be 1 by this is x plus 3. So this is x plus 3 into x plus 4 value is equal to this is a by x plus 3 plus this is b by x plus 4. So if I substitute the value of a here, then see this will be 1 by this is x plus 3 and this is b minus 1. So this is minus 1 by this is x plus 4, and that will be the final answer after resolving the partial fractions. See here, so it's so simple. I have to resolve into as a by x plus 3 plus b by x plus 3, and after taking LCM, and I'll be getting this equation. In this equation, in order to make a 0, I have to put x is equal to minus 4, so that I'll be getting the b value as minus 1. So if I put x is equal to minus 3 here in equation 1, so if I cancel, I'll be getting a value. So after substitution, and that will be the solution. And the next one here is, now I have to resolve this equation. So for resolving, so this will be this is a by this is x minus 2 plus b by this is x minus 4. So I can write this as x minus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to, see if I take LCM, this will be x minus 2 into x minus 4. So if I cross multiply it, that is a into this is x minus 4 plus b into this is x minus 2. Now if I cancel x minus 2 on both sides and x minus 4 on both sides, and what remains? 1 is equal to this is a into x minus 4 plus b into this is x minus 2. So this is an equation 1. So in this equation, in order to find b value, I have to make a 0. So this is, there is minus 4 here. So if I keep plus 4 here in place of x, so this will be 0 and I'll be getting b value. So in equation 1, if I keep plus 4 here, this is 4 minus 4 plus b times of this is 4 minus 2. Now if I cancel this plus 4 and minus 4, and see 1 value is equal to this is b times of 2. So b is equal to this is 1 by 2. The value here of b is 1 by 2. And next, if I make this one 0, so if I make b 0, I'll be getting a value. So now put x is equal to 2. So if I keep x is equal to 2 in equation 1 is equal to, this is a into, this is 2 minus 4 plus b into, this is 2 minus 2. This is plus 2 and minus 2. So the value here is 1 is equal to, this is a into, this is minus 2. Therefore a value is minus 1 by 2. And after getting a and b values, see here, this is 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 4 is resolved into a by x minus 2 plus b by, this is x minus 4. Now if I substitute the same values here, so a value here is minus half. See here, a value is minus half by x minus 2 and b value is plus half by x minus 4. Therefore half, if I take common, so if I take half common, so this will be minus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by, this is x minus 4. So if I further simplify, so this will be x minus 4 minus x minus 2, and this is how we have to solve. And this is also so simple for getting a and b values. And this is another question here for you, and this is 2x plus 1 is equal 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 3. So this can be resolved as, this is a by, this is x minus 1 plus b by, this is x plus 3. So again I have to make an LCM, that is x minus 1 into x plus 3. Here if I make an LCM, this is x minus 1 into, this is x plus 3. If I cross multiply, this is a into, this is x plus 3 plus b into, this is x minus 1. If I cancel x minus 1 on both sides and x plus 3 on both sides, and what remains here, this is x plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, this is a into, this is x plus 3 plus b into, this is x minus 1, and this is equation number 1. So in order to make a 0, so there is plus 3 here, so I have to put x is equal to minus 3. So if I keep x is equal to minus 3, that is 2 into minus 3 plus 1 is equal to, this is a into minus 3 plus 3 plus b into, this is minus 3 minus 1. If I cancel, so a will become 0, and this is minus 6 plus 1 is equal to b times of minus 4. And here this value is minus 5, and this is minus 4b. Therefore b is equal to, this is 5 by 4. And after getting the b value, and see, in order to make this one 0, I have to put x is equal to 1. So here put x is equal to 1 here, that is 2 into, so in place of x, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to, this is a into, this is 1 plus 3 plus b into, this is 1 minus 1. So if I cancel this one, then this is 2 plus 1 is equal to, this is 4a. 3 is equal to 4a, and a is equal to, this is 3 by 4. So after getting a and b values, now I have to substitute the values, that is 2x plus 1 by, this is x minus 1 into x plus 3. So this is nothing but a by x minus 1 plus b by, this is x plus 3. And see here, what is our a value? A value is nothing but 3 by 4 by x minus 1. B value is nothing but 5 by 4 by x plus 3. So if I take 4 to the denominator, then this will be 3 times of x minus 1 plus 5 times of, this is x plus 3. And this is how we have to solve. And this is so simple if you follow. If you don't understand this video, please watch this video for one more time, then it will be very clear. And all these problems are of same model. I'll be uploading the most important problems. Please solve it, practice it, and definitely you can solve by own. Thank you so much.